NEET UG 2025 upper ID not mandatory and major exam pattern changes announced. The National Testing Agency NTA has introduced significant updates for NEET UG 2025 aspirants. Upper ID not mandatory for registration. The NTA has clarified that obtaining an automated permanent academic account registry upper ID is optional for NEET UG 2025 registration. Candidates can register using another valid identification methods. The upper ID, formerly known as the Academic Bank of Credits ABC ID, is designed to digitally store a student academic records, but it is not a compulsory requirement for this year's application process. Revised exam pattern. The NEET UG 2025 examination pattern has been updated. Total questions 180 compulsory questions. Physics 45 questions, chemistry 45 questions, biology 19 questions, duration 3 hours 180 minutes. The optional section B, which previously allowed candidates to choose questions, has been removed. This change aims to streamline the examination process and revert to the pre-pandemic format. These updates are currently the most discussed topic among NEET aspirants as they significantly impact the registration process and exam preparation strategies. Eliminating the optional section previously introduced during the pandemic, all questions must be attempted within the standard 180 minutes duration. Key points about NEET UG 2025. No upper ID required. Candidates can register for NEET 2025 without an upper ID. Pre-COVID exam pattern. The exam will now consist of 180 compulsory questions with 45 questions each in physics and chemistry and 90 questions in biology. No optional section. The optional section B introduced during the pandemic has been removed. Updated tie-breaking criteria. In case where multiple candidates achieve the same score, NTA has revised the tie-breaking criteria as follows. Higher marks in biology, higher marks in chemistry, higher marks in physics, fewer incorrect response in all subjects, fewer incorrect response in chemistry, fewer incorrect response in physics. If the tie persists, an independent expert committee will implement a random selection process to determine the merit order. These updates are crucial for NEET UG 2025 aspirants to understand as they impact the registration process, examination format, and ranking methodology. Action items per candidate. Stay informed regularly. Check the official NTA website for updates and detailed information. Prepare accordingly. Adjust your study plans to align with the revised exam pattern, ensuring comprehensive coverage of all topics. Registration. Gather necessary identification documents for registration. Noting the upper ID is optional. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.